and I'm not doing anything particularly fun. It's super rainy out, but it's kind of a vibe. I'm gonna make some coffee and some breakfast. Don't know what I want for breakfast yet because we don't have that much. But I'm gonna make the coffee first and then we can talk. A friend of ours moved out of the country and she got rid of a bunch of stuff and she gave us this Nespresso. So nice. But you know I'm not spending money on those pods, so I got this reusable stainless steel one and I have to empty it and clean it every time I make a coffee, but it's so nice and I'm not spending a ton of money on stuff, so really cheap. It was like 25 bucks for the stainless steel one, and then it came with these two plastic ones that had tinfoil tops on them, like stickers, and you can buy the stickers and use these too. But I haven't done that. I've just been using the stainless steel one. And it's great. I'm trying to save money by not buying extra creamer and stuff. Just gonna do like milk and a little bit of sugar in my coffee. Nothing like the world ending to make you want to save money. Delish. Now I'm gonna figure out what I want to eat. I'm gonna do a little bit of oatmeal. This is a very random breakfast. A little bit of oatmeal. I have a ripe avocado. And I just made this lemon curd last night and I really want to eat it. So we're gonna do lemon curd, Trader Joe's unexpected cheddar, raspberries, and some olives. I will eat a charcuterie board any day, any night. And it can just be a few things for it to be a beautiful charcuterie board. So really I'm just adding whimsy and enjoyment into the everyday things. You don't have to have eggs and toast for breakfast every day. Eat a little charcuterie. A raspberry with the fresh lemon curd. That is so good. Okay. Wow, that is delish. That is tart. Alright, a little lemon curd. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'll put the recipe down below. It was super easy. It took me like 15 minutes to make this. And I already had everything at home. Granted, if you don't bake all the time, you might not have 6 egg yolks and lemons and stuff, but it was really easy and delicious. Raspberries. Just a couple olives. These are lemon stuffed olives too, so we're going, wow, we're going hard on the lemon this morning. Maple brown sugar oatmeal. Made that from scratch too. Just kidding. Ooh, almost cut my finger. Little avocado. It's the tiniest pit ever. Tiny little avocado. We'll do some cheeses too. Little cheeses. Oh. I work at Trader Joe's. This is not a sponsored post, but the unexpected cheddar, they put their whole ass and brain and everything into this cheese. It's so good. It has like little salt flakes in it. Just a couple pieces. It's delicious. I also, if you didn't know, I bake a lot. I have like a little side business baking, and I like to make bread. And I make Italian loaves, and I made a cheddar jalapeno one with just like regular orange sharp cheddar. And someone told me like, I want one of those, but I want to try it with unexpected cheddar. And I was like, oh my god, that's genius. I didn't even think about that. Now that's the only way that I make the bread because it's so good. I made an extra loaf last week, and I had it all throughout the week to make sandwiches and toasts and whatever, and it was so good. It, like the cheese, when you toast it, the cheese gets all soft and melty, and the jalapeno just gets warm. It's delicious. So yeah, I will never not make it a different way. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper on the avocado, and then we're gonna eat. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. Flaky salt. Yeah, beautiful, gorgeous. Let me show you. Wow. She eats so healthy. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. What do you want?
I want your breakfast. I'm going to eat everything, even though I don't know what it is.
That's oatmeal, sister. She don't care. She's a very food-motivated cat. Oh, we're gonna get on my lap? Okay. Hell yeah. There's no meat. Oh.
She's eating the cheese.
Queen, let me eat my food. Let me eat my food, girl. Goodbye. I love you. There's nothing in my hands for you. Plate pretty much clean, except for 1/2 of avocado. No, I don't like watching people eat, so I'm not gonna make you watch me eat. But now I really need to do the dishes. If you forgot, don't have a dishwasher, so need to wash these. And then I'm making cookies for a coworker. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen, do the dishes, vibe out, and watch some YouTube videos or something. I've been back on that YouTube watch every day. TV shows have been boring me. I've just been watching people's vlogs, hence me vlogging once again. So I'm gonna do that, and I will check back in when I'm done, because then we got stuff to do on this rainy day, you know? Done. Just kidding. But I don't have room for those right now, so I'm gonna clean up the counters and start making the cookies. I'm making lemon drop cookies. They're kind of scone-like, and I do a lemon glaze on top, and I made the lemon curd yesterday so that I could fill the inside with lemon curd because it's just better. It's exponentially better with the lemon curd. And I only ever had done it with store-bought lemon curd, so it's gonna be even better with homemade. Yeah. We're keeping the little lights on today. Since it's rainy and moody outside, we're gonna keep it moody inside. Maybe I'll light the little... Cute. Okay, now time to make cookies. These cookies are so easy to make, and you put them in the oven right away. You don't have to wait for them to be in the fridge or anything. They puff up a lot. That's why I said they were like scones, because they get really, really fluffy. And if you have to watch when you're baking them to not overdo it, because it'll get a little dry. But that's why I add the lemon curd, because it balances out what could be like a dry scone. And they're called lemon drop cookies because you drop them onto the pan. Now we wait. Now I'm gonna make a lemon glaze for the top while they're cooling. They need a couple more minutes. So I'm gonna make a lemon glaze. I ran out of lemon extract, but I'm just using lemon juice. Some of it is fresh from the lemons that I made the lemon curd with yesterday. So a glaze is really easy. It's just powdered sugar, water, and either vanilla or lemon or almond or whatever. What the hell? I'm realizing that I like a thicker glaze on it so that it looks like a lemon cake on top. You know what I mean? Like the lemon cake slices that the glaze is just on top instead of like dripping down the side. So I'm trying to make it a little bit thicker than it normally is. Yeah, that's probably good. It's gonna be so lemony. Let's taste it. Okay, lemon. That's lemony, holy shit. Yeah, that is lemony. Oh my god. Okay. I think I'm just gonna put this in a piping bag, and I think I'm gonna poke a hole in the bottom of it so it's just like a little bit lemon curd. Scissors. I don't know where my scissors are. my kitchen scissors went, but I had fabric scissors. I'm going to use a chopstick to poke a hole. Yeah, we'll just do a hole right here. It's just a little bit of lemon curd. And I think it'll be a nice balance to the dry sconiness. I have extras too, so I'll make one for myself. So we can do a little taste test. Lemon curd popped out of the top of that one. Okay. The glaze is still a little bit runny, but it's not too much. Usually it looks a little too melted. Taste test this one. See the lemon curd in there? Whoa. That's so lemony with the curd. But yeah, it really does balance out the scone-like texture. Without the lemon zest, I feel like it's missing something, so I'm gonna do a little dollop of lemon curd on the top of all of them to bring in a brightness because of the yellow color and just like add some more of that zest. Don't these look so cute? Oh my god, I love the lemon curd on top. I'm doing that from now on. My coworker ordered these for his girlfriend's birthday, so I put a little candle there for her. Oh, they look so good. And I have a couple left over for myself. Now what to do? I did the thing that I need to do. He's not coming to pick these up for like a couple hours. We'll see. I'll take you along for whatever happens today, even if it's nothing. I decided I'm gonna make another little coffee, and I haven't really had a gloomy, rainy, chill day at home. Like, I feel like I've just been so busy and go. I think I'm just gonna drink my cozy coffee and play some cozy video games, turn on the space heater, cuddle up with some blankets. I might turn the couch into like a little nest for me to lay in. So yeah, second coffee of the day. Here we go. It's noon. We've gotten a lot done before noon. Video games were not played because I smoked that joint and just got really hungry. So I ate some leftover pizza and some focaccia that our friend made. We had our friends over the other night for dinner, and we made pasta and salad. They brought focaccia and wine, and the focaccia was so good. And I had the last piece, and I was like, I feel like I could just make this. So I'm making focaccia right now. It needs to proof overnight in the fridge, so I probably won't bake it till tomorrow, but I will show you the final results. I'm really excited. I'm gonna do a garlic rosemary, and it's probably gonna be delicious. And who knows, maybe if it's really, really tasty, I'll start selling it with my little bakery side hustle. We'll see. Hi, it's the next day. I just got home from work. I have a friend coming over in a little bit. We are just gonna get high and play video games, which is my favorite thing to do. This is the focaccia that I started yesterday. It's been proofing in the fridge since yesterday. It can proof up to 3 days. I don't know if I told you that, but I'm testing it. So now we need to let it rise at room temperature for like 3 or 4 hours. So I'm gonna do that and tidy up a little bit before my friend gets here. And I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the video. Probably not. Probably not. No, it's not, because I gotta show you the end of the focaccia bread. But yeah, that's about it. That looks pretty good for my first focaccia.
Yummy.
I'm posting a vlog this week.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what this is for. Wow, that looks good. She's nice and spongy, crispy. Oh,
She's meat. That garlic with that dough, meaty.
she's good.
You got the crispness just right. It's basically fried bread.
Did you hear that?
It's basically fried bread.
First taste tester approved. The corner piece is good. My friend just left. We played video games, played Stardew Valley. We started a new farm. We've been talking about this for literally over a year, so we finally did it. The focaccia is so good. I tasted it on Instagram. It's delicious. I think if Max is down, my boyfriend, if you didn't know I have a boyfriend, sorry, I'm taken. I think I want to try to convince him to make sandwiches tonight for dinner, because we have like turkey. I think that's all we have. Turkey and cheese. Hard avocados. We do have pickled jalapenos. We have I almost said potatoes. We have pickles. Okay, maybe we don't have the stuff to make sandwiches. But I really want sandwiches. I don't know. We'll figure out what we're eating for dinner. I'm gonna have some rosé. It's 7 o'clock, and I'm gonna just finish this bottle because there's not that much left. I'm gonna put you down so I don't give you a headache by walking around in circles. None of my wine glasses are clean, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna go in with this thrifted purple bottomed glass. I had a 4 set of these. Instantly smashed 2 of them after I got them. So I only have 2. That's a fatal flaw of mine. I find the cutest dishware thrifting, and more times than I can count, I have smashed something like a matching set. Like my coffee cup that I drank out of. Okay, it's dirty. I don't know what it is. But the coffee cup I drank out of yesterday, the little blue one, I don't even know if I even showed you, but it was a little tiny, like, handmade, cutest mug. Ew, the garbage can is right underneath me. Stop trying to open. Automatic garbage can. It's actually from the devil. What was I saying? This little tiny ceramic mug, so cute, speckled blue. I had 2 of them. It was a perfect set. Smashed the other one, so now it's all by itself. So anyway, all that to say, all I was gonna say, I'm malfunctioning. What the fuck am I trying to say? I think all I was gonna say is I have some rosé. That's what I was gonna say. Down by the bay. Yes, if you may. Hip hip hooray. Anyway. No! I'm rhyming all fucking day! I'm gonna end the vlog here. We'll see if I post more. I just like to have like a little video journal of my life. This is more for me than it is for you, but if you enjoy it, happy that you did.
Hopefully you laughed. Hopefully you smoked some weed with me. Yeah, that's it. Nighty night, biatches.